Suspect held as body is shown from car on highway. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have stated that they are still questioning two men who were held after they reportedly tried to throw out a body from a vehicle on the North-South Highway. Reports are that about 10:15 p.m. on Friday, January 21st, a motorist raised an alarm to a group of Jamaica Defense Force members after they observed men in another vehicle trying to discard a body from the car. Sources report that the JDF personnel responded and minutes later managed to intercept a silver Nissan with two men aboard. A unit on the North-South Highway along with police personnel from the St. Catherine South were also called to the location. Reports are that the police further searched the motor car in which the men were traveling, and a Taurus revolver was found on the floor of the car. Sources said also that blood was also found inside the car. An additional search was conducted and the body of an identified male was discovered at another section of the tolled road. The two suspects have been taken into custody for questioning. The investigation continues by the St. Catherine South Police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.